The crypto world is still reeling from the crackdown of US authorities on crypto. And now Australia's biggest bank, Commonwealth Bank, has announced a block on the payments to the cryptocurrency platforms in Australia. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia has announced new measures it says are aimed at reducing risks associated with cryptocurrency exchanges. Yesterday, they announced this new function which enables them to decline or hold for 24 hours a payment made to a cryptocurrency exchange. Bank also said that they plan to set $10,000 limit in a calendar month where the bank can identify the consumer payments are to exchanges for cryptocurrency purchases. Bank is also going to monitor the impact of the measure and then it will review it accordingly on the ongoing basis. The restrictions CBA implemented around cryptocurrency exchanges are expected to reduce both the number of successful scams and the amount of money lost by customers. But people are looking at this measure in a larger scope. As Bank's crypto pilot remains on hold as it continues to work with regulators, and also there is a huge shadow on the crypto from the US. So it seems that Australian banks are also looking at curtailing the usage of crypto and how they deal with it. I think there are rough times ahead for the cryptocurrency in Australia, but let's see what happens. Thanks for listening.